Imagine this for a moment. Space is no longer just a playground for science. It has quietly become the next frontier for politics, business, and even military power. And that is exactly why the United Nations created a set of rules, so that space remains peaceful, safe, and fair for everyone. The first and most important rule is simple: no country can own space. No nation can claim the Moon, Mars, or any planet. The UN's Outer Space Treaty makes it very clear that space is the shared heritage of all humanity. The second rule says that space must only be used for peaceful purposes. Countries are not allowed to place nuclear weapons or any weapons of mass destruction in orbit. They cannot destroy other nations' satellites or try to turn space into a military battlefield. Any such action is a direct violation of international law. Then comes the rule of transparency. Whenever a country launches a new satellite or starts a new space mission, it must inform the international community. Why? Because secrecy creates mistrust, and mistrust leads to tension, and tension eventually leads to an arms race in space. Another important rule is liability. If a satellite or a piece of space debris from one country damages another country's spacecraft, the responsibility lies with the owner. If your object causes harm in space, you must answer for it on an international level. The UN also encourages countries to reduce space junk. Satellites should be safely removed from orbit at the end of their life. If we ignore space debris, Earth's orbit could turn into a dangerous junkyard, where even a tiny bolt moving at 28,000 kilometers per hour can destroy a multi-million-dollar satellite. Finally, the UN promotes sharing scientific data. Space discoveries exist for the benefit of humanity as a whole, not just a single nation. That's why the UN pushes for cooperation and open research. The truth is, space should never become another arena for conflict. These rules are designed to control politics, power, and ego. No matter how powerful a country is, in space they must follow one law: peace, cooperation, and responsibility. Today, when private companies, billionaires, and nations are racing toward the stars, these rules matter more than ever. Because without them, space could become the next war zone. But if we follow them, space can shape a safer and brighter future for all of us. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep, eye-opening space content, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Your support helps this channel reach more curious minds, and it motivates me to bring you even better, sharper and more researched videos every week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.